Hello, my name is Tomasz Krasinski and I welcome you to the uni-max workshop. By the end of today, one thing that I have been preparing for a while will be finished, and it will make my work much easier. With a bit of exaggeration, it can be said that it will actually save my life. Besides the permanent power supplies for stationary machines, I often need an outlet for portable electric tools that I use as needed in various places in the workshop, where of course the electrical outlet is not available, so I have to use an extension cord. However, a line cable is not only impractical but also dangerous, as tripping and falling in the workshop can have, and without exaggeration, fatal consequences. It is also annoying to unwind and pack up, when the cable reliably tangles and catches in a way that you wouldn't manage even if you tried. That's why I reached for a cable reel and originally hung it on the leg of the workbench. I soon realized that it only solved part of my problem. Before working, I can conveniently pull out the cable as needed, and after finishing, I can easily put it away. But during work, I still trip over it or step on it. Moreover, I realized that I have exactly the same problem with the pneumatic hose. Based on my good experience with the cable reel, I decided to get a reel for the air distribution as well. But mainly, I will place both on the ceiling. Thanks to the adjustable stop, I will leave just the right length of the cable or hose, so that I can reach it from the ground while it doesn't get in the way when coiled. When working, I will pull out only as much as needed so it doesn't lie around unnecessarily. The electric reel is equipped with a 12-meter cable with 3 conductors of 1.5 mm square cross-section, with rubber insulation and a neoprene sheath for higher mechanical stress. Although this cable would easily handle a continuous load of 16A resisting 3680W, 330 wattles, 80 watts, pocket turn, and the manufacturer recommends a maximum connected power of 2500 W due to the commutator and closed construction, and the coiled cable should not carry more than 800 W. It is good to respect this under long-term continuous load, but the cable can handle higher loads temporarily. After all, a safety fuse oversees everything. I chose the second reel, shorter hose and larger diameter, to minimize pressure losses. The hose is 9 meters long, so it will comfortably cover the entire workshop and even reach outside when I want to clean something with compressed air without making a mess in the workshop. The hose reel is supplied without quick couplings, only with smaller 1/4-inch threads, so you can connect it to the air distribution using fittings or use a nipple for a quick coupling. You will definitely use a quick coupling with an internal thread on the other end. Do you have to purchase it separately? Well, I made a profit from uni-max, where my heart leaped. Compact yet sturdy brass quick couplings with the label "Made in Germany" work absolutely wonderfully. Each reel comes with 2 steel anchors with a diameter of 10 mm, which are ideal for concrete. If they are not suitable for the material of your ceiling, use anchoring material that ensures sufficient joint strength. After all, the winches will be above your head, so you definitely don't want them to fall into your smile. In addition to installing the winches on the ceiling, it is also necessary to address the power supply, either by inserting it into a rail or, as I did, by hanging it on hooks. I check it off as done. Ceiling reels mean the end of tangled hoses and cables, stepping on them, and tripping. I have electricity and air available anywhere in the workshop, and the tools are immediately accessible and just as quickly and safely stored. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to set up notifications for new videos from the uni-max workshop. A like or a constructive comment will also be appreciated, and I will be pleased to see you in the next video.